Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to change Google Chrome background with your own picture. In this video I am going to show you. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work, or you don't need to download install any third-party extension on your browser. Just follow my easy and simple method. So open the web browser on your device. So I am using this in my Windows PC, and open the new tab page of Google Chrome browser like this. Okay, and here you can get the option Customize Chrome. Just click on it. Okay, like this, and then here click on Change Theme like this, and here you can get the option Upload an Image. Just click on it and it will open your files. As you can see guys, from here you need to select your file and then click on open. That's it. Okay, so as you can see guys, picture was changed in my Google Chrome background. So in case if you want to change it, once again you want to set it default, so once again go to customize option like this, and then click on change theme, and here you need to select default Chrome. That's it. It will set this to default settings, as you can see guys. So this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. In case this option, this feature is not showing in your browser, at that time you need to update your browser. Go to help, go to about Google Chrome. From here you can easily able to update your browser. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.